Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix and restore all your WhatsApp contacts on your iPhone. Now let's head out of the WhatsApp app first, and we're going to open up your settings. Let's check a couple things in your settings to get the WhatsApp contacts fixed. So let's scroll down from here, and first we're going to go to screen time. And now from here, let's scroll down and go to content and privacy restrictions here. You'll be able to see if this is turned on and contacts is set to don't allow changes, this could mess up your ability to sync up all those contacts. So either make sure it's set to allow, or I would just recommend turning off content and privacy restrictions. Now, after you've done that, let's go back out of here and then go back again. From here, let's scroll down until we find apps on this list at the very bottom and tap on that. The first place that we're going to go to is contacts. So scroll down to the contacts app, and here is contacts. Tap on that and make sure everything is turned on. So in all of these instances, make sure contacts is enabled. If it is already turned off, you can just turn it on here and it will sync up all the contacts from that account. So go through all of your accounts and make sure contacts is turned on, especially your iCloud contacts are turned on. Now, after you've done that, let's go back out of here until we get to the section that says apps at the very top. And let's scroll down until we find WhatsApp on this list. So towards the bottom here, scroll down to WhatsApp and tap on that. And now at the very top, tap on contacts. And you can see contacts access. If this is set to none or limited access, make sure to tap on full access here to give it full access to your contacts. After you've done that, let's open up the WhatsApp app and tap on the plus at the very top right. This should allow you to see all of your contacts in WhatsApp. If it doesn't, you might need to head into the App Store and then just update the WhatsApp app so you can just search for WhatsApp on this list and then tap on WhatsApp and then see if there's an update. If there is, just update to the phone to the latest version, and then it should be working with your contacts. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.